Need help inserting and removing your Biotrue ONEday contact lenses? We'll show you everything you need to know. First, wash and rinse your hands and dry them with a lint-free towel. Open and check the shape of the lens. Does it look all nice and pretty with a perfectly round edge? If so, you're good to go. Or does it look kind of like a tiny saucer? If it does, it's inside out. Just flip it over. Okay, you're doing great. So here's a tip. You'll want to start with the same eye each time to avoid mixing up your right and left lenses if the prescription is different. Now with the contact lens on your finger, use your non-dominant hand to pull your upper eyelid open and your dominant middle finger to pull your lower eyelid down. Gently slide the lens onto the center of your eye. Blink a few times until it's centered. Looking good. Now just repeat the same process for your other eye. Look at you! You're wearing contacts. Now go out there and enjoy 16 hours of moisture. After enjoying a full day of clear, comfortable vision, it's time to remove your lenses. But don't worry, taking them out is just as easy as putting them in. Wash your hands. Grab that lint-free towel and dry them off real good. Just like before, the upper eyelid goes up and the lower eyelid goes down. Now just use your finger to slide the lens to the lower part of your eye. Pinch the lens between your thumb and index finger and remove. Repeat for your other eye. Great job! Did you know that your contact lens waste is 100% recyclable? Collect your used lenses, empty blister packs, and separated top foils for proper recycling through the Bausch & Lomb 1x1 recycling program. Learn more about the program at bauschrecycles.com. See how easy that was? And you did something good for the environment. You're awesome. Biotrue ONEday, the lens with unbeaten moisture, from Bausch & Lomb.